As we near the end of 2018, I thought it was time to reflect on where we've come in this past year. This has been an interesting year from all points of view, not least of which is Syspro's 40th anniversary. And this is to celebrate the fact that we've been doing what we're doing and single focused on a single product for a very long time. And I want to tell you a little bit about our plans for next year. I cannot tell you how important our partner and reseller channel are to us. We're becoming increasingly partner-centric, and words means nothing unless we actually prove what we say, and we have fantastic plans to improve partner up for next year. We want to increase our sales enablement capability to make our partners far more successful in terms of sales and servicing, particularly for customers in our target markets. We have plans to improve our education services for partners. Again, all about making you far more successful, being able to service and make sales and derive revenue. I'd like to thank you for your continued support and commitment to the Syspro brand. And I do wish you all the very best for the next year, and I hope it's an extremely successful year for you.